Part 3 is here to build on everything that you have mastered so far. So get ready to level up your cash book skills in SYSPRO.
This tutorial will include the following: adding a foreign currency withdrawal to a foreign bank, posting an adjustment, posting an intercompany payment, and lastly, adding an interbank transfer suspense ledger code.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to continue with part 3 of the cash book module in SYSPRO, transaction processing. Now let's get started. We're going to start by going to cash book, then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to go to deposits and withdrawals. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to maximize my screen. Here on bank, we're going to choose a different bank. We're going to choose a foreign currency bank. So we're going to choose the National Foreign Currency Bank. Then we're going to click on select. Then we're going to click on add. Then the next pane will be open right next to it. Then here on transaction type, we're going to then click on the downward arrow to select withdrawal and reconciled. Okay, perfect. Then we're going to enter our reference. Okay. We're going to tap off to now enter our amount. We're going to leave the date as it is, the narration, this is what it will be. Okay, great. Okay, then we're going to tap off to now come to the currency options. As you can see, it had already selected the currency. Now what we're going to do is we're going to enter the exchange rate. Okay. We're going to then tap off, and here on withdrawal details, here on withdrawal information, we're going to click on the downward arrow to select no check number required. Perfect. Then we're going to click on the GL distribution button. Then here we're going to enter our ledger code. I'm going to tap off, and the description of the GL code is populated on the screen, as well as the amount in our local currency value. Then we're going to go to text code and enter our text code. I'm not going to change the current text code. Then we're going to come to the notation. Okay. Okay, great. Then we're going to now click on the save icon. We're going to click OK. We're going to then close this pane, and we're going to close this program. So we have our transaction. We're going to then close this program. There we have our journal entry, and that is how you add a foreign currency withdrawal to a foreign bank. We're going to start by going to cash book, then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to go to deposits and withdrawals. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. On bank, we're going to enter our bank code, and then we're going to tap off. And then as you can see, the highlighted transaction is the one that we're trying to change, so I'm going to click on the change icon. Okay, we're going to leave the reference as is. What we want to do is make changes in the amount. So let's say we put in 300 instead of 500. So we're going to now put in the correct amount, and then we're going to tap off. Then we're going to click on the GL distribution, right? So here again, we're going to enter our geo code. Okay, let's see what's our geo code. Okay, 08. Okay, perfect. This amount is the amount in our local currency value. So on narration, we're going to just say okay, perfect. Then we're going to click on the save icon. Then we're going to click OK. Okay, as you can see, the amount has changed to 500. Then we're going to close this program. And there we have our journal entry, and that is how you post an adjustment. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you this chance to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to Cash Book, then we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to select deposits and withdrawals. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. On bank, we're going to enter our bank code, then we're going to tap off. Okay, there we go. Let's just do it again. There we go. Then we're going to click on the add button, and then this pane is going to pop up on our screen. I'm going to now select my transaction type, and I'm going to click on the downward arrow, and I'm going to select withdraw unreconciled. Then we're going to enter our reference. Okay. We're going to tap off to enter our amount. Okay, then we're going to tap off to enter the narration. Okay, great. Then we're going to come all the way to withdrawal details, and we're going to make sure that the withdrawal information is on manual check, and here we're going to enter our check or EFT number. Okay, great. Then we're going to click on the GL distribution button. Then on company, because this is an intercompany payment, we're going to select the second company, which is AG1. Then we're going to click select. Then we're going to tap off to enter our ledger code. Going to then tap off. As you can see, the description for the GL code has populated on the screen, as well as the amount. And on text code, we're going to enter our text code. For us it's B, so we're going to leave it at that. Then on notation, again, I'm going to enter our notation there. Okay, then we're going to click on the save button. I'm going to click OK. We're going to close this pane right here, and we're going to close this program. And there we have our journal entry, and that is how you post an intercompany payment. We're going to start by going to the SYSPRO ribbon bar. Then we're going to go to setup, and we're going to go to setup options. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen here. There we go. Okay, we're going to close this, and we're going to go to GL, or rather General Ledger Integration. Then we're going to go to Cash Book, and here on Interbank Transfer Suspense, we're going to now enter our GL code. For us, it's already entered, so this is where you would enter your Interbank Transfer Suspense ledger code. Then you will click on the save and exit icon. Then you're going to click OK. Remember, for these changes to be effective in SYSPRO, you have to exit SYSPRO, then log back in. And that is how you add an interbank transfer suspense ledger code. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.